Okay, so here we are in the attic, and here in Florida it's become more popular to hermetically seal the attics with spray foam. And you can see right here, it's sprayed onto the roof or attic decking, plywood and trusses. And this one right here is actually a open cell, as you can see, because you can crush it, right? So what that means is that if you have a roof leak, it'll actually come through and it'll soak in like a sponge, but then drip through, which is good, because if your roof starts leaking, you need to know right away. Whereas if it were closed cell, it would be completely rigid. It would be very difficult to compress it, and the roof leak would not come through. The issue with that is the roof leak will persist until there's a catastrophic collapse of the framing and roof decking. Not good, right? So while closed cell is better, it actually provides structural reinforcement because of its rigidity. It does not let you know when the roofs leak, and all roofs will eventually leak, so you need to know that stuff. I know here in Florida, building code does not allow you to put the closed cell foam on a flat roof. I haven't looked into pitched roof. This is a tile roof right here. It's pitched. Not certain if building code would allow for a closed cell foam on a pitched roof, but at the end of the day, even though the closed cell does add structural rigidity, it does not offer any protection or advanced warnings, let's say, for roof leaks. So this is what you get if you already have a house that already has, let's say, loose fill or bad insulation on the bottom there. What the companies are going to require to do is, or you can hire them to do it, is remove all this insulation here, because you don't want to trap the humidity. So essentially what this space here becomes is a quasi-conditioned space. It might be a few degrees warmer up here than down below, but down below, what this foam spray offers is a more homogeneous comfort downstairs. Whereas if you had insulation just on the plywood right here, the plywood, the heat still gets to that drywall. And then on the interior ceiling, the top, you're gonna have a stratification of temperature, right? You're gonna have warmer temperatures up top towards the ceiling and then cooler at the bottom. When you have this type of insulation, it's actually more homogeneous downstairs. You don't even need fans. We put this in our last house, and we didn't need fans. It's nice and cool and comfortable. So wanted to do a quick video on this new type of, new is a relative word. It's becoming more prevalent, let's put it that way. And builders are using it more and more often, and it's nice. Especially when you have the ductwork here in the attic. The ductwork doesn't have to fight the heat that these Florida attics usually have. Upwards 160 plus degrees in here. Sweating, condensation, all that good stuff. You condition the space, you keep it nice and cool up here, and it's gonna be nice and cool downstairs. Catch you on the next video.